Hi everyone, Dr. Becca Knackstedt. If you've been considering protein supplementation, you might be confused as to whether or not you should take whey protein or casein. What's the difference? Let's discuss. These are both proteins that are found in milk, and they're both offered as protein supplementation. Importantly, they're both complete proteins, but whey protein tends to have more leucine. We've talked before about how leucine is kind of a unique amino acid, so that might be a point in favor of whey protein. Whey and casein also have different absorptive rates. So whey tends to be faster absorbed and casein tends to be slower absorbed. This is also related to muscle synthesis, whereas after exercise, if you take whey, the muscle synthesis seems to happen faster with whey and then slower with casein. But does it matter? Let's see what the evidence has to say. I love this study because it used female athletes, and studies never use females. But what this found was that whether or not they took whey or casein didn't really seem to matter. They both had increased an equal amount of protein synthesis. There have been other studies like this one looking at tracers of these proteins, and what they found is, once again, it really doesn't seem to matter. So which ones should you take? The evidence really doesn't tell us. I would say take whichever one you like better and whichever one's more palatable to you. But do you know of any other studies that show that there's a difference? If so, send them my way.